I have a great books course here that I 10th season now, and next season I'm planning Aldous Huxley's Perennial Philosophy. Just a few remarks that on that book, if would be just that's Aldous Huxley Perennial Philosophy.
Aldous Huxley.
Yeah.
Oh yes. In fact, I quote him in my last book, The Accidental Immigrant, I call it, A Quest for Spirit in a Skeptical Age. This came out about a year and a half ago.
Mm-hmm.
And Huxley claimed in his book that a non-mystical life is a crazy life. We will go crazy if we eradicate the mystical from our lives. Mm. And he had experiences. He had experiences with psychedelics, because until the middle of the 60s, experimenting with psychotropic drugs were not illegal. Mm-hmm. And that I know people who became spiritual after experimenting with LSD. I never did myself. And it is a very dangerous kind of approach to the spiritual, actually. But it had an impact in the lives of people like Huxley, who wrote on the Doors of Perception, right?
Yeah, mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it's based on his own experiences. And Houston Smith was a friend of Huxley, and they together experimented with that stuff. Mm-hmm. And then it became illegal because of what happened at Harvard with Timothy Leary. Mm-hmm. And then he created a scandal, and then a law was passed to turn it illegal. So until that time, there were legitimate academics who were experimenting with this kind of psychotropic drugs that is practiced by tribal societies, mm-hmm. like the Indians of the Southwest with peyote and ayahuasca in Latin America. So yeah, I haven't read the book, the whole book, but I've read about it. And Huxley is a turning point in this development of rediscovering the mystical in Western civilization.